Good morning. More like afternoon. Woke up a little late. But I wish I could say today was a lazy day. It's not. We got so much stuff to do. I'm already running behind on editing, so some of the videos are late. Sorry. I've been up for a couple hours now. I was just cleaning the kitchen. Janessa's finishing up some things that she had to do for school. But now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm just gonna make potatoes and eggs. And Janessa is she's been a little stressed, so I'm gonna make her some pancakes.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So on the menu we have potatoes and eggs, and then we got blueberry and chocolate chip pancakes. We got some coffee.
I just finished school. We're trying to prepare for the week and trying to get the apartment and everything in order before Christmas. Well, the new year, but Christmas essentially.
Janessa's gonna go hang out with her parents in a little while.
Just gonna get my many packages. They are my they're my mail service.
Thankfully though, we've never had any packages stolen. What we did get stolen though was, you guys saw our pumpkin, so I left the pumpkin and on top of it put a bowl with candy, and so at first I put one of my...
Oh, let's stop that. So please, Alex, tell the viewers, what candy did you put in this bowl?
Okay, so there was this candy that our friend gave us.
No, there was this candy that was specifically given to me.
Janessa's candy.
My candy. So I really like the
Twizzlers.
The red Twizzlers that eat the pull apart. And I was super excited to eat them. And come to find out, we go to get to the top of the stairs and there is my candy in this bowl.
I put one of my older bowls. I was like, oh, that's embarrassing. I can't put out that old bowl. So I switched it with one of my nice metal ones. And the next morning, she saw something different, but she didn't cue in on what it was. Well, these freaking kids or somebody came, not only did they take the whole thing of candy, they took our bowl. That was so annoying, so rude. So rude. I mean, take the candy, take the pumpkin, but not my
really,
bowl. Take
the bowl?
But they didn't take out our lights. Like, we had this like projector light thingy.
Of all the... Man, I tell you, these burglars here, they are something else. They are not stealing the good stuff.
We actually haven't had many situations like these. This is very recent. It was my fault because I forgot to lock my car. They went through my car. They didn't take anything. They took my $5 glasses that I got from Target, but I had like literally money. I had... Like
cash. It wasn't even just cash. Like...
They didn't take that. They took out my snacks. They didn't take that. They threw it on the side, but they didn't take the money, the cash. They just took my glasses.
And then they stole her,
And I had this battery pack.
This battery jump box thing, like one of those little ones you can buy from Costco.
It's like $20. You know, it's not... I had nothing. I don't really carry anything in my car. But I'm just like, man, these guys, I mean, it's not even for the stuff. It's just for like, you know, that sense
amateurs.
I know, amateurs. That sense of like, really? You came in, you kind of ruined my day for $5 glasses.
Or like, at least make it worth it. Come on.
I know.
Come on.
If I had a laptop in there, I'd get it. I don't know. I know it's hard times, but you know, it's not. Yeah. It's frustrating. But anyways, we're gonna eat this and we'll get on with our day. We'll see what else we can show you. I don't know. It's probably gonna be a very boring vlog, but oh well.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your chair.
It's that time to clean. Let's do it. But we're gonna play Harry Potter in the background, so. Can't start work without a Christmas candle. I have set up camp on the floor because I need to stretch my back. We have to do our socks. Oh, let's do that right now. All right, let's see what we got today. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you are. Which one?
Now I get to, today. I get to pick.
Yep, 3 or 4. Seeker.
Is that what is that? What is the red?
I don't know.
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna go with this one, I think.
Well, you have to do an order first. This and that.
Okay, so then you go.
Ugh! Yikes! These are not.
Come on, Grandpa Ray.
Why? Oh, look, they came out the other side.
No, you gotta open the flap.
The flap don't like that.
The flap isn't flapping.
Watch, I'm gonna end up breaking my nail.
Can you maybe push it out?
No,
I know. Are these supposed to be for kids? Because
no,
kids
these
are.
men's.
Oh, maybe that's why you need a man for these. Just kidding.
Oh, we got
Are they short or long?
short.
I'm ready for some long ones. I think I should get the next long ones.
Yeah, you can. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to
Next.
pull yours from the side?
I have like a million cuts on my fingers. No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
that's me.
I thought you wanted me to.
Here.
Hey, baby, your turn.
You know what I think the problem is? They're not like cut all the way through. Maybe we should get knives when we do this.
Yeah, maybe. I did my classic. I did a zoom in, zoom out.
Come on, Grandpa.
Because I wanted to be able to see what you were doing.
I'm not doing anything. I can't.
You
Open
could just pull it out the side.
No. Here, I'll just do this.
It's just not
Open
okay.
it sideways. Is this the right one?
Yep.
I don't think that's the right one.
Those are the secret ones.
This? It
Yeah.
doesn't say seeker. How do you know?
Yeah, you're the captain. Captain of Hufflepuff.
The seeker
That's
is
the seeker.
captain?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The seeker.
Oh, okay. I got 2 seekers now then, I think.
Baby, yeah.
Isn't that a seeker? Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Okay, cool.
Looks like she's double dipping on both sides of the team.
I am. I'm cheating.
Okay.
Alright, let's put them on and show them. Oh, I like that they both, they're both Hufflepuff?
Yeah.
See, I thought they were gonna be red.
I did too.
That's why I picked these. Okay, so today I got first pick. I guess tomorrow she gets first pick.
Oh, looks like there's a long pair of Ravenclaw calling my name.
That's okay. I
I'm
actually
just
want the
kidding.
long Slytherin ones.
Oh, well, great. Okay.
Since you got the Hogwarts ones.
Gryffindor, yes.
These are it.
These are it. Oh, cute. Okay. Me next. Put them on. Putting on my little booties. Putting on my little booties.
Oh, your little
Putting on my little booty. Do, 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 do. Do. Keep it. Footsies. Beep 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 beep.
So we just wanted to show you guys real quick. Janessa's mom just got back from
Hawaii.
a trip. Yeah. And she got us a couple cool things.
Yeah. So sweet. So she actually got us these advent calendars. For me, this is really important because when my grandma was still alive, she would get me one every year. So yeah, so we got advent calendars. Really cool.
That's exciting.
One of the big things in Hawaii is the pineapple cup. It's the part of the Hawaii collection. So that's really cool. I was thinking that she'd be pissed that I brought home another cup, but it was well received.
We have a bit of a cup issue. We have way too many cups.
Well,
we literally don't have regular drinking cups because we have so many Starbucks
which I feel like
cups.
it's okay. She has yet to see my coworker's collection, so. But anyways, yeah. So that's kind of the haul from my mom. She got us a couple Hawaiian masks.
Yeah,
So that's
so
really cool. Our Golden Girls shirts finally came in. So this one is mine. So excited.
Cool. And then this one's mine. Savage.
I think they speak true to our personalities.
I think so.
So yeah, it's really exciting. Oh,
So-
we're actually gonna open our advent calendars too.
That's really cute. In the back, obviously it's for kids, but I mean, and adults. You can color the back. That's really cool. Do you guys like coloring? I think coloring is super
Therapeutic.
relaxing. Yeah, therapeutic. So it's been so long since I've done one of these that I totally forgot that you're like, you gotta hunt down the numbers. It's not like
Oh yeah, it's
in
not
order.
right at the...
Totally forgot about that.
Okay.
So I found mine. So that's day 1.
I found mine too. Ready?
I think we're gonna have the same. Okay, see, this is better than the Harry Potter one. This is. Ooh. See, that's really cool though, because they're little chocolates, so it's not like this huge.
And
thing.
they're little designs.
Oh, that is so
cute.
Okay, so mine's a little reindeer. So cute.
Just like I remember.
Yeah. I don't remember because it's been a long time. It's good.
And 2.
I'm really happy it's not like the cheap chocolate ones because
Oh yeah.
I can't stand cheap chocolate.
This one. It'll work. So that concludes our episode of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. All done.
On to
Bye.